Have you downloaded and installed the Temu application on your iPhone or Android device, but you don't know how to register or sign into the app? Just follow my steps because the process is pretty easy. And before we start, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to our channel for more similar Temu and other tutorial videos. Let's start by opening the Temu application on our phone, and the app is going to look something like this. You will see this little text box, which says, "Sign in for the best experience," and you can tap on the sign in option right there. But if you don't see that text box, you can just select this You section right here, and that will get you to this page. The next step is to tap on this little orange Sign In or Register option at the top of your screen, which will then open another page for us. Temu gives us an option to sign in or register with our Apple account, with Google, Facebook, with an email address, or with your phone number. So select your preferred method on how you want to sign into Temu. I'm going to select my Google account for shopping with Temu, and I'll sign in real quickly. And after this step, you will be signed into the Temu app, and you can start using it and order a bunch of cool stuff of the platform.